Hey everybody, it's almost time for our palm parade. Go grab your palms.
We've got them! We've got our palms!
Oh no, not those palms. You're right that those are palms, but they are not the palms we need for our parade. Why don't you go grab the Palm Sunday palms?
Palms? For a parade? What kind of palms are we supposed to get?
Hey, look at these palms. People use these at football games.
Yeah, that must be it. Let's take those palms.
Oh, pom-poms. Yes, I can see why you brought those.
You mean they're not right?
Well, pom-poms are used to cheer people on, but the kind of palms I'm looking for are like the palms people use to cheer on Jesus on Palm Sunday. When Jesus came into Jerusalem on Palm Sunday, people came from all over to lay tree branches at their coats on the road because Jesus was the King of Heaven. And people grabbed palm branches off of the trees and waved them at Jesus to cheer for him.
Praise Jesus! Hosanna!
Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord.
Oh, palms.
Oh, palms.
I get it now.
Great! Why don't you grab your palms for Palm Sunday and we will start our